Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, today's video is very exciting and if you watch the video complete then you can save a lot of money because in today's video I will teach you how you can I will teach you about 4 websites from which you can build your website easily. You do not need to pay high to any coder or programmer or website developer. You just need to uh, sign into these websites. Some are paid, some are free, but if you pay, then it cost not more than like a programmer. It is almost half or less than the price of a programmer. So this is a very easy solution if you want to build your own website. So these are the 4 websites means which are the website builders. So the first is 10web.io. It provides you the AI website builder. So when you go to AI website builder, AI e-commerce, AI assistant, AI business name generator, AI marketing strategy generator, AI SEO tool. So when you click on generate your website, then it will show you what you want to do. Create a new website with AI, convert a website to WordPress with AI, create a new website with AI. Let's start creating your website with AI. I want to create an informational website. Next, search for your business and type like home decor. Next, just wait for some seconds. It is building your website web page. So after that, enter your company name. I think John Home Decors. It is a dummy name. We deals in home decoration products. Good. Next, service feature decorator. Next, you can change these features according to your need. I am just so it your website is waiting for you. Preview your AI powered website, but you need to preview your website. If you sign up, then you can preview your website. So guys, in this way you can make your own website with some clicks. So let's start. Let's see their pricing platform. So in $10 per month, 10 AI website, 10 AI builder, drag and drop means these are the features of free plan, AI starter plan, AI premium plan, drag and drop editor based, and AI AI ultimate for high traffic website 23. And this is, I think, this is no cost, almost no cost. For e-commerce, these are the packages. For agency 2+ websites, these are the. And when you go to Fiverr and search this uh, search the term website builder, build website business, and you can see there are only almost 3000 gig services available, and almost every seller has orders. So this is a good skill to work on, and you don't need any coding skill. The second website is durable.co. You can also check this website. This is also a AI builder, AI website builder. This is also a good AI website builder. After that, all I AI. This is also provide you the best AI website building tools. So after that, you can also click on start a free trial, and you can also check their pricing. So they showed some testimonials. and you can also check their pricing here. But these are bit expensive, so I think you can go for 10web.io. After that, the last website is subpage.app. I click on this and let's see what we got. I close all the previous tab because my internet speed is slow. So you can also uh, in free package you create one business website, publish your domain, no sharing, and in premium for one business website, but you can get extra perks, extra space, extra credits, and etc. In $30 per month, you can get some more extra perks. So it's your choice. So these are the four websites, AI website builders, from which you can make your websites or your client website in some minutes. So explore these sites and start selling services on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.